And who we talking about? The person that's been making waves over the UK for the last year. You know, we have some whole heap of singles we are going wicked out there. And also we have a next emerging artist. You know, the man we are dancing in the whole of London on the bridge. Him have the whole image for the whole of UK. He's here live with us this evening. They have been having the amber lights and now they have blocked the road. Stamma Kid and Don Crazy there. What's good, brothers?
Yeah, it's a blessing. Stamma Kid in the building. Stammer.
Simple, so. Don Crazy, what go on?
Fully black. You don't know the road block off the full image in the building. You know what time it is. Upstairs or there?
Of course.
Okay.
Congratulations, must start that way for Don Crazy for the recording. Because I don't know if you did songs before, but this was the first official song I know. I see up and I say, yes, it's shot. So congratulations for that.
Manners and respect,
Cool.
my Jenna.
Stamma Kid, what go on from them time?
Yeah, we're going from them till now. What you say?
What's been happening for the last time? 'Cause we haven't talked a long time. You go around the Upnlive show to know.
No, I don't go around it enough.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Because my sister Rick did deny him feelings. Because Rick knocked me and Mr. Rick, I have nothing to run with right now. I work and
Yeah.
Yes, when they knock me, is you and a gallus, but you and a gallus.
Not put it down. Yeah.
Me never have much on it fair run with it like.
I understand what you say, man.
So when me now recreate what me I do and say, give me a minute, me I go recreate some stuff. We are go run the road. Cause we not give them only music. We are give them music, dance, sing and a code and a color code. Cause if you look at music, people like instruction, like how you have your woman in a room and you get instruction. And some people like instruction. Isn't that?
True. Of course. We like that.
True.
Good explanation, because you know, we see the growth and we see, obviously, we see your grind in the studio in a musical form, because you know someone listen to this and have
no, man, when a busy about no wine or eat or Z, man, I got alone with said, man. Isn't that
Right.
Exactly.
Right.
So the work rate is there.
Yeah.
Especially the warning camp.
Yeah.
And I must be got Bad Santa. You know, Bad Santa always a rep for the warning camp.
Yeah.
DJ Assassin. You know,
Yeah, DJ
Assassin.
a.k.a. Bad Santa.
Exactly. So the track that we're featuring now is Roadblock.
Yeah, and
Is it the rhythm called Roadblock or is it just a single called Roadblock?
well, it's me first recorder when me record it and him hear it and everybody say, yo, this bad.
Yeah, because the rhythm
Him link me and say, cause me have blue
Roll them like a dice.
no, it name blue dice. Get it
Blue
right.
dice.
Cause you not even know why it name blue dice.
What go on there, sir? No, finish this first.
Yeah. We have to know there's a method to where we are do in our music, you know. Music is not what it look like.
Yeah.
How we do when we are created and promoted. So him link me and say, yo, him want one and add him banger there. Okay. So I say, yeah man, one evening we are just roll up and we just roll our meds. So me left work and say, yo, you're on another the bass and him say, yeah, roll in. And when me roll in, him have a back like anything and say, yeah man, when you're ready man. And him play one rhythm, cause him say, him have a whole heap of rhythm, must listen.
Yeah.
So him play one rhythm and give me a back like anything and I said, this bad man, load it, make me hear it in the headphone. And him say, yeah man, go on. I mean, they are freestyle, can't walk, so you know, see the road black. And him say, I see the road black. And him say, yo, that bad man, go on again. I'm go again and that build the hook. And him say, yeah man, I hit that, you know.
And he just named the rhythm off of the...
Yeah, but the roadblock here was, well, in my head, I'm picturing it in a rave. Like, you know, in a rave, I'm on a
walk past.
walk past you, and him not see nowhere around there, so him a walk go. And yo, you can't walk, you say you don't see the roadblock, my lad. So the roadblock is actually not about the actual road.
So you're not afraid that song gonna cause fight in a party? Because if me hear that song they play no one and man I walk and step on my dog, you see roadblock.
Yeah, but it make when we are rave or we get booked, we say yo make sure we have a VIP area so now body now walk like yo cause more you know, Yard River and you get booked, everybody just a walk past you. Yo, this not look like.
Exactly.
You see me I say?
Exactly.
At the image we I work with, so image lad in the building, so big up himself, but at the image we I work with and just how it look a road when it record. When you record it and how it look a road,
Yeah.
bossy, like when you can't walk so we not be rude, but
You just can't walk as
Yeah.
find one next way.
like you have west here and you have areas where we reaching our club with style and we can't walk. That's so the road black, that's so dark. You know, you see me I say?
Exactly.
You don't care who you is. Your money no reach round.
Yes,
So,
sir.
yeah.
So in the reach. Anyway, you explain that.
Yeah.
But we'll get to the blue dyes, of course. But Crazy is here. Is
Yeah.
one of the intricate part of the dancing part of UK side. And we realize how did the connection forward for Bill a song? Because Crazy always just promote the dance them, go up on the bridge, image and everything.
Oh, I
but
did.
him never really was recording as much.
Yeah, cause me and him a roll, and them a say, artist, all you have to do just call me name. I say, call me name and you have a voice. What you deal with?
Yeah.
Here we go on, man. Me, I got turned in at the UK ding dang. So,
Yeah.
Watch
they
your
just,
turn there. Calm me alone. Watch him.
listen to me, I say, man.
Watch him.
Yo, black out the echo and just listen to me, I say. Me say, yo, we are going to create you in the form of that. Because I can't say that name or that turn there, but a wrong turn, and I make it so.
I am black and
loud,
white,
yeah. So me say, instead of me calling your name, we give you a voice and make you DJ where you want DJ, and the crowd might even react better than if me
Yeah.
hey.
And-
'Cause it's all about energy.
Exactly. The verse, Don Crazy. Did you write the verse or
We never write music.
Yeah.
what go on?
we
What
never
go on?
write
Vibes.
music. We have vibes music.
Yeah.
If you write music and turn up in our studio as a dancer, you're not going to find the right thing, and I must hit the rhythm I say. So when you hear the rhythm, as we hear him say roadblock, we know what time it is. When the image step out.
Yeah, but the verse is actually a credible verse. Because I hear the verse and I
And
say,
we and Stamma, you see Stamma Kid?
yeah.
He's a driver. You see me I say? And when me and him sit down together, anything we put together, it all work.
Yeah, I just
the vibe.
vibes,
He know how
when me
me
there
know.
roll with
You see what I'm saying? So energy.
Tyler, when we
connect
knew
to energy.
in our music, when we knew with me and him, I run up and down and me I write and I bring at the studio.
Yeah.
Whatever me write, him never like it or it
nah
never work.
It nah work.
So me broke in our not broke in our way. We're rich in our way, you know. We're rich in our way, you know. Where as you will link with and say you have a rhythm, and if you want, we bring it or you bring it. When we reach in
that's
at the
true,
place, we don't walk with nothing but a open mind. And we just say, yo, whatever energy where the in and out that room when we reach it, we are work with. So me not build nothing where me alone and move. When me a build, like I said, me reach Yasuna and Rika Upnlive have a rhythm. Me a build the actual music with you lot involved. Give me
Inside,
give
yeah,
me
different
give me a
ideas,
views.
yeah.
If me do a bar, I'm gonna say, yo, artist, get to the bar. I'm say, all right, then that not gonna work. Nobody now move. So music is not really a one man mission. It's a collective. Cause when a lot of big artists are work, there's a whole heap of man in a room. I give energy, but
You not see it.
you will never hear them. They get a big up or nothing.
Okay. Blue Dice.
Yeah.
Because at one of the first time, me almost think it's a crazy song.
Yeah.
Because one at a time then we go south, every party, we see everybody, we see Dio them forward, we see Dio and KJ and Tricks.
It's a sorting, them are dice bars.
Yeah, them are the dice man.
It's not really a sorting. No, yeah,
we
can't.
never left it. Yeah, we never left it
originate
as so.
from South.
Yes.
Yeah, the dice.
Yeah,
yes.
It's birth at soul. It's the birth